found our place on the branch of an old gum tree. Our feet would sway to a voice in the breeze. And birds would sing on the banks of a narrow stream. These memories will stay with me. We made our way to a hill beside the sea. With salt in the air and sand on our feet. We felt the sun as it burned upon our skin. These memories will stay with me. Now I'm far away. These memories still remain. Now I'm far away. You stay with me the same.
Congratulations! Congratulations, Rose and RJ, on your beautiful wedding. Wishing you both a lifetime filled with love, laughter, and endless adventures together. May your days be full of joy, your home full of warmth, and your heart always full of each other. Here's to a wonderful beginning and a love that grows stronger with every year. Congratulations from the Victoria family!
Say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hi lovebirds, congrats sa inyong dalawa. Akala mo may nagtaga sa'yo paring talks. Kidding aside, best wishes for both of you. Syempre more babies soon. Susunod ako pare. Congrats sa inyong dalawa. God bless.
Padreng, best wishes. Congrats Padreng. Close na talaga yung aklat na eh.
Congratulations and best wishes, Ate Rose and Toes!
Yes!
RJ.
Hi, Rose and RJ.
Congratulations.
Best wishes. Enjoy each other.
Enjoy each other.
Wish na magkaroon sila ng mabubuting, magpupuging anak.
Magaganda.
At lahat ng kanilang pangarap matupad. At yumaman ng gusto.
At magpakarami. Rock on. Congratulations. Masarap sana mag-attend kaming wedding, pero enjoy kayo. And God bless.
Ibibigay ko uli yung suggestion, yung recommendation ko kay Pag nag-aaway kayo, dapat huwag niyong hahayaan matapos ang gabi na hindi kayo nagbabati. At saka dapat, pag nagbati kayo, wala kayo saplot.
Oh, siya.
Okay, congratulations!
Congratulations ulit!
Dito lang kami. Bye-bye.
Love you guys!
Hi, Rusty! Congratulations! From Abu Dhabi, your aunties! From Abu Dhabi family! Best wishes and baby soon! Yeah, baby soon! Bye! Love you! Congratulations and you're happy!
Tol RJ and Rose, kamusta kayo? It's Sakalan Day! Congrats and best wishes sa inyo. Magmahalan kayo. Let God be the center of your relationship. Ingat kayo lagi. Salute!
Beshi! This is it! So, sa laki ng Dubai Miracle Garden, at least nahanap mo na yung one and only rose for you. So, we're so happy. And proud kami sa'yo dahil nahanap mo ang the one. And kay Rose, ayan na, finally, mangyayari na. So, masayang-masaya kami para sa inyo. And, ayun nga. So, syempre, in the ideal world, sinasabi nila na huwag kayong matutulog ng magagalit. But in reality, sa totoong buhay, maraming gabi na matutulog kayo ng magagalit, magkatalikod. So, but always choose one another amidst everything. So, yung mga challenges surpass together. And sabi nga ni Gerald, let God be the center of your relationship. So, looking forward kami sa mga little chikiting soon. Congratulations on your wedding and bye!
Gawa kayong marami. Bye, ingat kayo. Ingat kayo.
Congratulations.
Hi, Tito RJ and Tita Rose. Congratulations.
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 Congratulations kapatid, maligayang bati sa inyong kasal. Sana ay maging masaya at puno ng pagmamahala ng inyong pagsasama. Yan, brother. Alam mo na, lagi mong kung maiwasan mo, huwag ka munang iyak. Kasi alam mo na, kilala mo na si Aljur, King Badger. At yun, siyempre, lagi nyo lang gawing sentrong si God sa inyong pagsasama. At siyempre, habaan nyo ang pasensya sa isa't isa. Yun lang, brother. At sa iyong asawa, congratulations, best wishes. Ingat!
Congratulations, Paring RJ and Maring Rose. Happy wedding day to you both. We're so happy to celebrate this special day of yours. Kung nandiyan na sana ako, pasayaw pa sana ako. Anyway, congratulations on your wedding. May your marriage be filled with love and joy. Wishing you all the best today and always. Again, congrats. Let's the adventure begin.
Hi, Madam. So, congratulations for your wedding day. And may the God bless you for both of you. So, make your marriage be happier and longer. And I'm wishing you the best day. So, Madam, I know hindi ako makakapunta dyan. Pero na-miss na kita. Sayang, hindi nga lang. Pero I'm hoping that you have a wonderful day in your wedding day. I love you. I miss you.
Pots, best wishes nga pala sa inyo ni RJ on this wonderful journey as you build your new life together. Congratulations!
Congratulations and best wishes, Rose and RJ!
You know, congrats nga pala kay Mr. and Mrs. Pilapil. This time, Maring Rose, hindi ka na makakapagsalita ng no, di ba? Anyway, congrats nga pala sa inyong dalawa. Be strong palagi sa bagong journey ng life nyo. It's either positive or negative, lagi nyo dapat pag-usapan. And bago kayo magdesisyon dalawa, make sure kung tama ba to o mali. Para maiwasan nyo yung hindi pagkakaunawaan. Tsaka alam ko namang strong kayong dalawa. Andito lang kami palagi, Utol RJ at tsaka Maring Rose. Antayin namin yung pagbabalik nyo dito sa Melbourne and ibang celebration yun, alright? And yun nga, congrats ulit and best wishes to both of you. Mahal ko kayong dalawa.
Hello RJ and Rose. Congratulations on your wedding day. Today is the beginning of your journey as being married. All we can say as married couple for 11 years is be patient to each other and don't give up. Kahit na feeling nyo maghihiwalay na yung decolor sa puti, o kahit na RJ pinapalayas ka rin ni Rose sa iyong bahay, wag na wag kang aalis. Alam mo yan, tandaan mo yan ha.
And may the God bless you with full of happiness and even more healthy marriage life. We wish you all the best.
Tol RJ, Rose, congratulations. Enjoy niyo yung araw niyo. Pagbalik niyo rito, i-celebrate natin yan. Kita-kita tayo soon. Ingat kayo dyan. God bless.
Tok na Rose! Congratulations sa inyong dalawa and best wishes!
Pare, congrats, kakasala pala kayo. Sa wakas, may forever na talaga. Sana mas madalas ang kilig kaysa sa tampuhan. At mas marami ang tawanan kaysa inis. Mag-aaway lang ha, pero walang sakitan. Tatagan yung loob nyo, ginusto nyo yan. Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Sana biyayaan kayo ng madami at malulusog ng mga supling. Cheers sa bagong adventure bilang mag-asawa. Wishing both endless laughter, good food. Siyempre mahabang pasensya sa isa't isa. Cheers kapatid.
Congrats guys! Wishing you both a lifetime of love and happiness. Lagi sana kayong magmahalan, be each other's kakampi and best friend.
Basta lang sir, lagi ka lang susunod kay Rose. Masaya na yung marriage nun.
Enjoy the honeymoon! We love you!
May today be the start of a new tomorrow that you will cherish forever. Wishing you nothing but a lifetime of love. Best wishes, RJ and Rose!
Tox and Rose, congratulations on your wedding day. Sorry, hindi ako nakauwi kasi, yeah, work. But then, Lian, Chelsea, and Jorly are there naman with you to be with you on your big day. So, a part of me is with you na rin. Yeah, so again, congratulations. And yes, I just want to say a small piece of advice that I hope you can carry with you on this journey of your married life. That marriage is not always easy. There will be ups and downs. Minsan happy, minsan tampuhan. Pero that's a part of the journey. Ang importante is you will learn how to communicate and to listen to each other. Yeah, it's very important na marunong tayong mag-usap, makinig, at umintindi. Kasi minsan, sinasabi natin yung nararamdaman natin, but then, the other side doesn't understand what we are trying to say because clouded ang judgment natin minsan. So yeah, this is things that you have to put in, like to put in your mind and to put it in a practice na every time na nag-aaway kayo, you have to communicate kung ano yung problema and you have to listen kung ano yung sinasabi ng partner mo, and then you have to understand and you have to fix whatever happened, whatever is the problem. May solution yan, lahat. And then once you have the solution, just keep it and don't do the same mistake again. So para hindi kayo nagre-repeat ng cycle. So yes, that's just my payo sa inyo guys, and yeah, I wish you a peaceful and happy marriage, and just don't give up so easily. Fix all the problem. Ayusin kapag may problema, mag-usap, magkaintindihan, compromise, and yeah, be committed with each other. Stay in love, stay happy, stay faithful, stay committed, and yes, always put God on the center of your relationship. So mas matindi, mas magiging matibay yung foundation ng nabuo nyong relationship. Okay? So yeah, again, congratulations and best wishes. Okay? Best wishes sa inyong dalawa. So if you need anything, I'm here, your ate. Okay? Guys, so enjoy your wedding day. And yeah, I miss you all, and I hope we're gonna see each other again. Yeah, so congratulations. Bye.
Congratulations, Kuya Tukne and Tita Rose.
Congratulations, Kuya Tukne and Ate Rose. Best wishes to your marriage, and we love you.
God bless your married life, RJ and Rose. I hope you have a happy life ahead of you.
Congratulations, RJ and Rose. And sana maging masaya ang inyong buhay pagpapamilya. At isipin nyo lang, sa lahat ng pagsubok ay may solusyon. Huwag daanin sa init ng ulo. Okay? Congrats!
Best wishes!
Congratulations!
Hi RJ and Rose, congratulations and best wishes. God bless you.
Congratulations to both of you, and let be the God the center of your relationship. Congratulations.
Hi Rose and RJ, congratulations and best wishes.
Pare and Rose, congratulations sa wedding nyo. Sana lagi kayong magmahalan at lagi niyong tatandaan na mahal namin kayong mag-asawa. Tapos pagbalik nyo ng Australia, mag-iingat kayo at saka lagi nyong tandaan na mahal namin kayo. I love you. I love you both.
Hi Rose and RJ, congratulations ulit. And sobrang happy namin kasi nga nangyari na yung pinakahintay nyong wedding, kayong dalawa. Sana patuloy lang kayong magmahalan and magintindihan lagi kayong dalawa. Wish namin na bigyan nyo na ng pinsan si Jaren kasi may wish siya. Jaren, what's your wish? What do you want? Baby brother or baby sister?
Baby sister and brother.
Baby sister and brother pa. Okay, so yun lang. Congratulations ulit. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Nandito lang kami lagi para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Jaren, say congratulations.
Congratulations.
Best wishes.
Best wishes.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh, kiss mo na, mama. Good job. Say bye. Bye. Hi Rose and RJ, congratulations ulit. May message lang ako para sa
inyong dalawa. Wala man ako dyan to witness your wedding. God knows kung gaano ko kayong gustong makita at makasama on this very special day of yours. Super happy ako kasi sa wakas, natupad na rin ang dream wedding nyo. Alam ko na matagal nyo rin pinaghandaan at pinangarap to. This is just the beginning of your forever. Lagi nyong ilagay si God sa center ng relationship nyo dahil siya ang magpapatatag sa inyo sa lahat ng panahon. Hi Rose, welcome to the family. Salamat sa pagtanggap sa kapatid ko kahit minsan may mga kakulitan at katigasan ng ulo yan. Kitang-kita ko naman kung gaano mo siya kamahal at kung gaano mo siya napapasaya. Sana ay lagi kayong mag-unawaan, magbigayan at magintindihan. Normal lang na dumating ang mga pagsubok o problema, pero ang importante ay at the end of the day, lagi niyong pipiliin ang isa't isa. Nandito lang ako palagi para sa inyo. Alam mo yan, kahit na magkalayo tayo, isang text or call mo lang sa akin kapag kailangan mo na makakausap. Para na rin kitang kapatid, kaya huwag kang mahihiyang lumapit sa akin. Para naman sa'yo, RJ Otux, congratulations, finally may nagtiyaga sa'yo. Pero seryoso, sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, unti-unti mo nang nakikita ang bunga. Hindi man naging madali ang mga pinagdaanan mo noon, pero tingnan mo kung nasaan ka ngayon. Hindi ko man laging nasasabi sa'yo to, pero nakikita ko na isa kang responsableng anak, kapatid, pati na rin sa mga pamangkin mo, at alam kong magiging mabuting asawa ka at soon magiging mabuting ama ka rin. Alagaan mo si Rose at lagi kayong mag-iingat dahil malayo kayo sa amin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo at ipinagdadasal ko na sana ay maging masaya, matatag at puno ng pagmamahalan ang pagsasama nyo habang buhay. Praying and hoping na magkita-kita tayo soon. Again, congratulations and best wishes!